Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and let me share with you how to turn off the ads. So we will begin with removing the personalization of the advertisements. Of course, it will not limit the adverts itself, however, it will limit the personalization, the customization, so they will not be as direct as they were before. So let's start with opening the settings. And here we have to scroll down to find the Google section. Let's tap. Then we have to go to all services and go to privacy and security, where you can find ads. So as you can see here, we've got something called advertising ID, thanks to which our device is showing us more personalized advertisements. So first of all, I highly recommend to simply tap on reset advertising ID, confirm, and then delete advertising ID, and delete it. And thanks to it, as I said, we will receive less personalized advertisements. Another thing which I highly recommend to do is to try to turn off the notifications from the apps which are showing you advertisements. So let's pretend I'm getting a lot of advertisements from Play Store. So all you have to do is to find the app and tap on it and hold it, and then go to App Info. Now we have to tap on Notifications. And here, as you can see, we've got different notification categories. So I highly recommend to try find something which is connected with the advertisement. So for example, here, payments, deals, and recommendations, something like that. And all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher to turn off the specific category, and you should get less notifications about the advertisements, of course, right here. All right, another thing which I highly recommend to do is to consider replacing the apps in which you're getting a lot of advertisements with other ones. So just, for example, if you're using the file manager, which shows you a lot of advertisements, I highly recommend going to the Play Store and find the file manager which is not connected with the advertisements. So obviously, I mean, this is the obvious tip, but sometimes we forget about that. Another thing which I highly recommend to do is to download the adblock. So let's go to the Play Store. First of all, you need the internet connection, be aware about that, and secondly, you need to be logged in. You can check how to log in, how to add the Google account in our separate video, how to add or remove a Google account in the specific device. So after entering, just go to search and tap on anything called adblock or adblocker or anything like that, and basically you will be able to find the adblocks for the Android, for the browser, for apps, etc. So I highly recommend to check those options and obviously use those which are highly rated, so you will be able to you will be sure that they are all right, but basically consider using the ad blocker. And as a last resort, as a last tip actually, I highly recommend to set the private DNS. So let's go to the settings. Here at the top we've got the option which is called network and internet, and here we should have something called private DNS. So let's tap on it. Set private DNS provider hostname, and all you have to enter here is dns.adguard.com and tap on save. And thanks to it, you will receive much less advertisements. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.